This is the Dreo smart wall heater. So the vent is on the bottom, and it's only has like either straight out or down. It's meant to be mounted to the wall, and I'm guessing that's the reason it does not have a tip sensor. So if I tip it over, it doesn't shut off. It could start a fire, but it's meant to be mounted to the wall. So in that case, it shouldn't tip over. My concern is more if the front is blocked off. Maybe, hopefully there's an overheat sensor if it doesn't have a tip sensor. But, is it UL listed? I'm wondering. No, it's Intertech. Sorry about it being upside down. Intertech ETL listed. Anyway, I haven't screwed it into the wall yet, but it's pretty neat. It's on 3 high. It also has automatic settings. High 2, high 1. You can't control the heat and the fan from here. You can use the app though. Oh, wait, actually I'm wrong, sorry. You can. That's high fan. If you hit this, I think you can control. Yep, sorry, my mistake. Has a eco setting. You can set the timer from here, like 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever. If you don't press any buttons, it goes back. This is to join it to Wi-Fi, and I'll show you the app in a sec. Okay, there's no personal info exposed here. Please do not ban this video. The app is pretty nice. I'm not crazy about the privacy and all the permissions it requires, but that's pretty normal nowadays, and I don't like that it's yet another app. They could have easily, for an extra $1, incorporated into SmartThings or Google, and even though you can get it into Alexa and Google, you have to use the app first, which I'm not crazy about. But watch how fast it responds. Turns off instantly. It monitors the room temperature when you're not using it. It'll tell you, I used it for 3 minutes today. Yesterday I used it for 2 hours and 31 minutes, etc. Tells you the Wi-Fi signal. I had no problem connecting it, although I did have to turn off my 5G on my router, which is an Orbi system. Settings. You can name the room and stuff. It tells you the Wi-Fi signal. I have it hooked up to Google. Hey Google, turn on heater.
Okay, turning on the heater.
Pretty cool, right? The build is, it's all plastic. That's okay. And it works pretty good.
A quick little demonstration video. So as you can probably hear, I'll be quiet for a minute. It's very quiet, makes very little noise. The way you maneuver through is a little non-intuitive. It's on high, so you turn it on, then it went to high and it went to this mode. This is how you change modes. So eco means I'm set to 90 degrees, and it will kind of go up and down and turn itself off and on, depending on how close to 90 degrees you are. Which if I wait about another 10 minutes, it's going to be 90 in here because it's hot outside, it's summer. And this mode is fan only. And then it actually blows cool air, or coolish air. So again, you've got high, and with this you can go high, H3, H2, H1, and that's low fan, medium fan, and high fan. And then when you turn it off, it takes about 30 seconds to turn itself off. All space heaters do. They cool themselves off while they turn off. But that is how this works. Again, you can mount it and hang it on the wall if you wish. Considering that the vent is down at the bottom, that's not a bad idea. I really wouldn't put it on the floor. I think the heat needs to convey downwards somewhat, but whatever works for you.
You can barely hear this. And it works fantastically. It times down 30 seconds before it shuts off.